So listen, I have a quick message to tell you right now. So I'm just in the beauty city of Valencia, but not of Valencia, but Madrid. So there is a quick message I want to tell you, and this is not about the kind of fancy product you sell, but look, you have to live life in the present, right? You have to try your best to be in the present and enjoy each second of your life, because if you don't, nobody else will. And if you don't love yourself, you don't try to love yourself, to care of yourself, to do everything that you can to be the best person that you can be, nobody definitely gonna do that for you. And one of the best things that you can do is just let it go of the expectation, let go of everything that you are holding on to, the fear, the doubt, the uncertainty, the stress, the anxiety. All that is fine, but you cannot hold on to that, because they are not actually gonna let you grow, and you need growth. You need to become better. You need to, to do better things. So you have to let go of certain things sometimes. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a really great life, but after all, you have to let go. You have to let go of that pressure. You have to let go of that expectation that you have that things are gonna be in a certain way, because they are not. They're definitely not going to be. And you deserve to live a beautiful life. You deserve to live life to the fullest. So I wish you to do everything that you can, maybe now, maybe tomorrow, whatever you want, or whatever you can, to just be the best that you can be. And that is fantastic. That is okay to feel overwhelmed. It is okay to be afraid, but do it while you are afraid. Do it while you are excited. Do it while you are angry. Do it whatever you feel. Just keep doing it, because you know what? At the end, you are gonna be proud of yourself, because you've tried, you've done things that nobody have imagined that you could have done, and that's what gives you the strength to overcome any kind of certain challenges that come in your way, because that spirit governs the reality. Like, that's the spirit that help you overcome every challenges in your life. So I mean, you got to take life by the right hand and be in the driver's seat, and you can do that if you definitely want. If you definitely dream of a kind of life that you think is worthwhile, you can definitely do that, because everybody is doing it around you. You look around you, everything is built, everything is driving a beautiful girl, everything have a beautiful relationship. Why can't you do that? Well, maybe it's not your priority, maybe it's not what you want at the moment, but you have to figure out what is that thing that you want at the moment and how it can be done, and start doing it. Right? It's just a matter of deciding it, coming with clarity, and once you have that clarity, lady or gentleman, you cannot do it. It just takes some kind of time, and you're obviously gonna do it. Maybe 5-10 years. It doesn't necessarily that long, but you can definitely do this shit. It is your journey. It's your stuff, lady, and you know it. So you can definitely do this. All right. One of the other things that I would like to also suggest is being able to enjoy the process. Being able to enjoy the process is being able to encourage yourself, being able to give yourself a pat. Say, okay, I'm trying, I'm not perfect, I'm keep growing, I can get better, and enjoy the process. It's actually really amazing, because some people gonna hurt you, some people gonna try to talk shit about you, but you know what? Fuck them, because they won't pay your rent, they won't pay you the $1 million you want in your account. Nobody's gonna do that for you. So fuck them and just do your thing, because you know what? Your thing is gonna pay your rent. Your shit's gonna pay your rent.